Hello, everyone. I'm Shaun Chavis, Managing Editor at Found. Today, I want to share some exciting updates we've made to the Found program. This video will spotlight what's new and answer some questions you might have about the program itself. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share updates to our clinical experience, including medication, details about our one-on-one coaching program. We're bringing it back and it's got a nice, fresh approach. And I'm going to share some updates to our community that help you connect with others for the support that you need. Plus, we've reimagined our behavior change program. We call it Foundations. Our team of psychologists, doctors, and behavioral scientists combined their experience with member feedback to create a program that helps you build the core habits you need to succeed on your weight care journey. That sounds like a lot, and it is. Science shows when we can combine prescription medication with a healthier lifestyle, it doubles to triples the odds of losing 5 to 10% of your body weight. Science like this informs our work and drives us to build the most comprehensive program possible to help you reach your goals. So first, let's talk about the clinical experience at Found, which is led by a doctor who's one of the nation's top specialists in obesity medicine. We've made changes to the way that you work with Found providers. We've always offered a personalized experience, and we're going to continue doing that. Our clinical providers determine if you're eligible for medication to help you lose weight. Then they write prescriptions and help guide you through treatment. With our new medication portal, members can consult one-on-one with their medical provider. You can message providers with questions about your medication, side effects, or treatment options. You can see your upcoming appointments and your provider bio. You can get reminders of when it's time for a refill, and you can order that refill. You can also review your message history with your provider. And we've built new medication pages to give you all the information you need about the medication you're taking. You'll also be able to check in with your provider during key stages of your weight care journey. So if you're on Found's 6-month plan, our program offers 4 one-on-one in-depth consults. Our chief medical officer designed this structure so you have touch points at key points in your weight care journey. The consults also help our providers to be proactive and make sure the medication plan is working for you, and it gives them an opportunity to work with you to make any adjustments that you might need. All of our providers are board certified and they specialize in weight care management. So, bottom line, our updated clinical experience not only helps you with valuable medication information, but it gives you several personal touch points with our clinical team throughout your weight care journey. Next, let's talk about the coaching in the Found program. Our program offers support with one-on-one personal coaching via SMS for the first 30 days. That first month is essential for setting you up for success. And so you'll partner with a coach to build a foundation for your weight care journey. Found's health coaches are behavior change experts, so take advantage of their expertise. They can help you look at your environment and your habits with no judgment and give you personally tailored advice and tips to help you reach your weight care goals. Together, you can work on lifestyle changes that will make a meaningful difference in your weight care journey and your overall well-being, including healthy eating, mindfulness, exercise, and sleep. Your coach will also give you encouragement, like every good coach does, accountability to help you stay on track with your weekly goals, and set you up with Found's tools to maximize your entire weight loss experience. Your coach will introduce you to the Found app and the Found community in our mobile app. And there you can follow other coaches and directly communicate with them throughout your membership, even after the first 30 days. Let's talk more about Found's community, where you'll find members on their own weight care journey just like you. Found is the only clinical weight loss program with a digital in-app community. Personally, I love the community. I'm in there every day. People motivate each other and share their experiences and celebrate each other's wins. We all need support, and when you share your journey with others, it helps drive you towards success. That's science. In the community, you can make friends, share knowledge, encourage one another, and get motivated. You can use filters to help find people like you. Use tags to deep dive into a subject. Use the Ask a Coach tag to ask a question. Our health coaches are ready to share helpful responses. Or you can start a thread to get feedback from other community members. And you can join our monthly challenges where community comes together to motivate and hold each other accountable to hit a specific goal and win prizes. Finally, I'd like to share another new update to our mobile app. It's called Foundations. Our Chief Medical Officer got together with Found's behavior scientists, psychologists, researchers, and other experts to identify the core set of habits that drive people to long-term success when it comes to weight care. Those core habits are what we call foundations, and it's the bedrock of our in-app behavior change program. These are essential routines that you can incorporate into your life to help you reach your goals. Through the foundation, you will build and sustain healthy habits. Here's how it works. As a new member, we'll suggest starting with the habits in Foundations. You'll see them in your checklist, and you can add habits you want to work on or remove habits that you want to save for later. The Foundations includes habits like eating mindfully, drinking water in the morning, and getting enough sleep. And as you continue to log your habits day after day, you'll progress to unlock new levels. You start with level 1, which is awareness, and work your way through to level 6, which is sustainability. The levels are based on the behavioral science of making habits. So as you progress, those new habits become part of your life and part of who you are. And they will help you create lasting change, which is great because weight care is a long journey. Plus, just doing the levels gives you skills that you can build on in other areas of your weight care journey or your life. Each habit gives you information you need to understand how it's connected to your weight care, plus tips that you need to succeed. You can build a custom list of habits you'd like to engage with over the course of your weight care journey. So those are the new highlights. These new updates to the Found program are designed to help you succeed. We're adding more communication with our clinical team so you can continue to make progress every day. The community updates give you opportunities to celebrate milestones with other members and your Found coaches. And the in-app behavior program, Foundations, the core set of habits recommended by our experts, will set you up for success, especially when they're paired with the one-on-one coaching you get in the first month on the program. The Found app is currently available exclusively to members, so if you haven't already, be sure to head to joinfound.com where you can take our health assessment to see if you qualify for the Found medication program. The link is below in the comments. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and follow our channel for more weight care updates.